This video demonstrates creating a virtual machine and installing an operating system in it. The following is done from a host computer. If the agent is not running, start it. We are logging in with the administration account, but any regular account will do. Once the agent is running, we will now start the administration console to create the VM. Again, a regular account will do. Right-clicking in the virtual machine window will give you the option to create a virtual machine. Give your virtual machine an identifiable name, and then select the operating system type. Click Create to create the virtual machine. A window will appear allowing you to either select a pre-existing virtual hard drive or create a new one. In this case, we are going to create a new virtual hard drive. If your server has multiple pools, select a pool, and then enter a name for your virtual hard drive. Next, you need to set the size of the virtual hard drive. By selecting Sparse and Compression, you will be able to create many more virtual hard drives than normally would be possible. You can optionally also add a comment to further help you identify this drive. Click OK to create the new virtual hard drive. The new virtual hard drive is automatically added to the virtual machine. Click Done to finish creating the VM. The new virtual machine shows up in the VM window. If you select the hard drive, you'll be able to see its details. If you select the virtual machine, you'll be able to see the details of the new virtual machine. You can change things such as the amount of memory and other settings. We will boot this virtual machine on our current host. We can boot it by either clicking the boot button or right-clicking on the virtual machine and selecting Boot. The Infinity server will use the Infinity agent running on our host to create a new virtual machine in VirtualBox. It will then instruct the agent to boot the virtual machine. When VirtualBox attempts to boot from the new hard drive, it will fail because there's no operating system installed on the virtual hard drive. We will attach either an ISO file or a local CD-ROM to this virtual machine, and then reset the virtual machine to have it boot from the CD-ROM. Since we have attached a Windows installation CD-ROM, the Windows install routine will start, and we will be able to complete the installation of Windows on this virtual hard drive. Once the installation is complete, we can reset the virtual machine again, and it will boot off of the hard drive. You might have to detach the CD-ROM to be able to boot off of the hard drive. If you intend to create more virtual machines like this one, you could choose to sysprep Windows, turn the VM into a template, and then use the template to create more virtual machines.